Dear students, as you can see, we have the RStudio window open in front of us. So today we are going to see how to find out at what directory R is working and how to change it to our preferred directory where we will be hosting our files, and that will be used for our data analysis. So for doing that, of course we can do it directly in this console, but we prefer to do it in a new R script. So I have opened a new R script from here. Okay, so normally it is advised that you always keep record of what you are doing. So that means a kind of note. So before you type any code, type any note or any extra information, because that will not be executed, you should start with a hash. So I'm writing finding the current working directory. Working directory is the folder in our computer where R is currently working. So now I'm not starting with hash. Okay, now what we will do, just get wd. Okay, so get means get it, and wd means working directory. So with one bracket, both opening and closing. So now if it is a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl Shift Enter. Because my one is a Mac, so Command Shift Enter. So you can see that we find the current working directory, that is users Mohanuddin for my computer. The next step is we want to change it. Okay, so before we change it, at first we have to create the folder. So this is the folder I would like to set as working directory. So I'm right clicking here and I'm getting the path name of this folder. So if it is a Windows, then you will see that there is an address bar here, and if you click there, you will get the path, and you can copy it very easily. Okay, so I have already copied it. I'm going back to RStudio. Now it is already in the clipboard, so later on whenever needed I will paste it. So my next task is to set a new working directory. Okay, so what code I will be typing? It is setwd. Setwd means set the new working directory. So within bracket I have to use double quotation, and within the double quotation I just paste the path name. Okay, now it is done. Now what I will do, I will press Ctrl Shift Enter or Command Shift Enter, and you can see that we have got our new working directory set. Now let us check if the working directory is correct now. Okay, so for doing that, we can of course type it again, but what we can do, we can again go to this command and then Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, or we can just press run. Okay, so you can see that the getwd is user Mohanuddin desktop ... the folder that I have created for this class. Another way is, normally you will see that if you click here in the console and if you press up arrow, you will always find the previously executed commands. Okay, so if I press one time, I get the immediate one, then the second last one, third last one, etc., etc. Okay, so this is how we can actually get the commands from here, previously executed command, very easily. Anyway, now the working directory is set to the preferred folder. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.